Hey everybody, Tom Kalagher from Fairhope Mortgage here. I just wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you about mobile homes and manufactured homes. Exactly what's allowed, and more importantly, why you need to use somebody that knows what they're talking about when you need to finance a manufactured home. The first thing you need to know is that in addition to the normal inspection and appraisal, you're going to need an engineering certificate that's going to verify that the home is properly tied down to the foundation, it's installed correctly, and that any skirting installed is done right. The next thing you need to know is there's been a recent change in the way appraisers look at the skirting. That skirting used to be that you could just attach it at the top and at the bottom. All this time, it's been required that it have a solid backing of masonry or wood on it, but appraisers weren't looking at that. And now in the last 6 to 12 months, they've really started to look at that. And it's important to know that they are going to look for that solid backing. Next is different lenders have different requirements and different overlays on those requirements for mobile homes. So it might be that Fannie Mae allows cash out up to 65% of the loan to value on a double wide and no cash out on a single wide, while Freddie allows 65% out for both. But not all lenders are going to recognize those differences and they're just going to treat them the same. They're going to take the worst case scenario and act as if everything's the same. The other thing is, Fannie actually allows 90% loan to value on a double wide for a second home. Freddie, that number is 85%, so it's pretty significant. However, they do allow single wides to be a second home. This is actually fairly important when you're down at the beach area or living someplace where it's a little bit more remote and there are manufactured homes being used as second homes. Next up is the square footage requirement. So Fannie allows square footage down to 400 square feet, while Freddie it's at 600. Some lenders may have overlays at 600, 800, 900 square feet. They won't do less. Be sure to talk to somebody that knows the difference. As far as single wide and double wide, Fannie allows both. Freddie actually doesn't mention it. They say the minimum width is 12 feet and it doesn't specify whether it's single wide or double wide. It's just not the nomenclature they use. There's also some items that they both agree on. Any structural modifications must be approved by a licensed professional engineer or local or state authority. Any tow hitch and running gear must be removed. Any non-load-bearing skirting must be permanently attached to the concrete, masonry, or wood backing and allow for ventilation. And it must be manufactured on or after June 15th, 1976. Last, on mobile homes, repair escrows are not allowed. If you need somebody who knows what they're doing when it comes to manufactured homes, be sure to reach out to Fairhope Mortgage, Tom Kalagher, here to help you get into the home of your dreams. Have a good one.